Well, I got the car back after last night's events. What did I burn up? Oh, that's not good. I should probably put that out. Yeah, we're just gonna pull this out now. And they towed it back over here, and then we just pushed her into the garage. And nice bird. So I had plans for a few of the cars, but now everything is going to be on this one. Since I have it here, obviously I'm going to replace that alternator, the belt. I'm also going to get a compressor for my AC, because not only will this be cleared out, but I am going to be redoing this stuff. So I did pick up some things from the paint shop. I got my epoxy primer, hardener. Why do I always slam everything down? Notice that on several of my videos. And my white diamond paint. Yeah. And then I have my bumper coater. And what else? I have some metallic original chrome. And I'm gonna do for the fog lamps. And I don't know what that color is supposed to be. Maybe that's supposed to be chrome. Maybe it'd look nice if it was chrome. I don't know. So I'm going to be doing the front and the back bumpers, and then do all that stuff. So it's entirely possible that the Reatta is down for the rest of the summer, which is fine, because I can just get everything done off of that. One thing I have purchased, but I'm not going to do, as tempting as it would be. I don't know what that is. Would be to put these in. I got a handful of some rear strut shocks for the Reatta. These have been out of stock forever, and our buddy over at buddy Mark over at East Coast Reatta Parts, he worked with Monroe to make up a new batch. So I was able to get a set of those. Don't need them, but I might someday. So my shocks seem pretty good as it is. I'm not going to really worry about it. Yeah, they're good. But, you know, it's nice to have them. They weren't cheap, but nice to have. From East Coast Reatta Parts. Yeah, a lot of nice stuff. I've gotten a few things from them. Headlamp rebuild kit. Some other miscellaneous interior parts. I guess I should probably keep an eye out for a new insulation piece for inside the hood. So, a couple of the other projects currently on hold. The maroon one, that one still needs an engine, And this one I was going to do the GM electronic ignition control module swap. And I also think I need a new voltage regulator. And then for the Aspen, for that faded area in the back, I have these SEM products. I've got the plastic and leather prep, which then I will follow with some adhesion promoter, and then do the camo color coat for that area on the back trim that has faded. That will also wait. Priority is to do this as much as I can. Everything else will just kind of hold off, and I'm just going to do one thing at a time. Maybe I'll replace this hinge too. So the first step is going to be pulling the bumpers and getting that stuff sanded and prepped, and then start clearing out space to get to that AC compressor. So those will all be separate videos. I'll just do one for the front and rear bumpers, and then the next steps will be the alternator and the AC compressor. I probably will do an alternator video, even though I don't have to. I'm sure there's more than a few out there, and looks like it's a pretty easy job since it's right on top, but I'll just do it anyway since I'll be doing it, and I'll record it. And then for the AC compressor, I'll probably have to redo the lines as well, because I think those have been left open, and I'm sure there's moisture and everything else in there. So I'll get the new compressor and new lines, and then get that installed. So